As we work to preserve religious liberty, New Yorkers for Constitutional Freedoms opposes efforts to force Christian schools to compromise their Christian identities and beliefs. Accordingly, we oppose Senate Bill 722 Hoylman. This bill would apply the 2010 Dignity for All Students Act, DASA, to non-public schools. DASA contains a variety of provisions to address the problem of bullying in schools. However, it also bans discrimination and harassment against public school students on the basis of some controversial criteria, including sexual orientation and gender identity or expression. Since the passage of DASA, its non-discrimination provisions have been used to force public schools to allow students that identify as transgender to use opposite-sex facilities. Religious schools, including Christian schools, educate tens of thousands of New York students each year. Schools whose religious tenets forbid homosexual behavior and transgender behavior should not be forced to grant male students access to girls' restrooms and locker rooms. They should not be forced to allow male students to compete in girls' sporting events. They should not be required to condone student sexual conduct that is deemed immoral within their respective faith traditions. Furthermore, applying the Dignity for All Students Act to non-public schools would allow non-public school students to complain of discrimination to the New York State Education Department and would empower the State Education Department to investigate non-public schools for non-compliance. While DASA's efforts to combat bullying in schools are well-intentioned, its provisions on gender and sexuality stand at odds with the teachings of Scripture. This bill would force many of New York's faith-based schools to choose between violating the law, violating their own beliefs, and closing their doors. This set of options is unacceptable, and this bill must not become law.